Alright, in this video we're gonna do our best to put this thing together and hope for the best we can turn it on. So I cannot promise we're gonna make it happen to turn this thing on this video, but at least we're going to put it together, and hopefully on the next episode we're going to drive this thing. So stay tuned for that. And I know it's not been the best video or project with this one because parts, they take a little bit a long time, but anyway, we're going to put it together and we'll find out if we can turn it on in this video or in the next video. So stay tuned for that and let's jump in right in the video. As you can see, it's always good you protect the corners. So in order to remove that mirror, honestly, you have to remove a bunch of stuff. Like you can disconnect a few things right there, but also you have to take the speaker out, and there are 3 connectors down here. I don't know if you can see. They're literally right here. So honestly, it's a little bit of a pain to take that mirror out in order to paint the door, but we managed to do so. So fortunately this got broken. We'll see if we can replace it with something else, but for now we just have to pause it together. And I bought the airbag, which is right here, and this is the older airbag. As you can see, it's all blown up, but this one will be the new one. And honestly, I was talking earlier ago, Auto Recycling, there seemed to be an amazing place to find supercar parts, and actually for very reasonable price. I know they're second-hand, but honestly very good company. You should check it out if you're looking for exotic parts, because honestly they're very reasonable in price and so fast on delivery as well. So we're trying to repair this guy because, believe it or not, if I'm not mistaken, it was 180 or 160, just this little guy. And I have the paint to match the color, so I think if we repair it carefully, we might end up saving around 160 bucks or 120, I'm not sure to be, but it's somewhere up there, just this little thing. So we're gonna do our best to repair it and make it look as presentable as possible. Alright guys, you're not gonna believe the end result. So it's looking amazing. So we had to do an adjustment right here because when we got the impact, we lost a clip right here. We managed to make it like this. It holds like the new one, and let me show you guys in the front how it's going to look. And check it out, 120 bucks at least we saved with just this little piece. You cannot even notice this thing, but we'll take a closer look once it's in place. Super happy. Alright, so the bumper is pretty much set. One of these washer nozzle, I think they call it, was broken, and believe it or not, was 135 bucks, and luckily I found just one on eBay from Florida. But as you can see, it's coming along very nice, to be honest. I'm very happy with it. So far went everything smooth, so now we're gonna see it and put it back together. Alright, so right now we're connecting this water pipe, I'll say, where it connects the headlights to wash the headlights basically. Honestly, I don't think anybody uses them, but anyway, when it was hit, I mean the impact was right here, so it was broken, and we bought this T right here. We're just connecting it and just piecing it out with the other piece on the other side, and that's about it, and we're ready to install the bumper, as you can see. The disc brake, it's in place. The brake caliper also in place. I cannot believe this thing is getting together. And we're about to put the tire on. Like, it's gonna start looking like a car again. Wow, unbelievable. Wow, it's looking like a car again. Look at that. I cannot believe it. Now we can hopefully. Oh boy, for the first time we never turned this thing on. So we're gonna give it a shot with this guy. Wow, if this thing turns on right now, that'll be insane. It's 11.8, as you can see. I have a doubt it's gonna turn on, but we'll give it a shot. Don't mind this headlight because it's not connected. I mean, I'm sure here it's still like a Christmas tree lights, but oh my god, that'll be amazing if this thing can. Let's see. Let's hope for the best. 1, 2. Oh, come on. Yeah. Alright, let's try like to close it out. I don't know why the emergency light is going on. If you guys know, please. Wow. Why is this? Nothing. I know the door it's not connected, but I don't know what's going on. We have to check it out again. Maybe because the jumper cable it's not charged properly, and I don't have no idea why the emergency light is going on. I have no idea. No, turn it off. After so many times trying to turn on the car, no luck at all, we decided to put the door back together and connect every single cable. After connecting the door, the headlight and some few other wiring, finally the car gave us some hope and finally turned on. My SD card got full so many times, and unfortunately I wasn't lucky to film that little section turning on the car, but literally was such an incredible moment and exciting. So take a listen because I cannot describe the feelings.
Hi there.
So after 2 months, you can only imagine the feelings and the excitement I was having. I had my cousin where we worked since day one, and after 2 months, after so many attempts, literally I cannot tell you and describe you how many attempts we tried with this car, but I cannot really tell you the excitement and the feelings I got after all this hard work. Anyway, the car is not finished by any means, but you can already tell it runs and drives, and I cannot really explain you the excitement, the feelings I got after all of this. Anyway, stay tuned for the next video because it's coming up soon, and there is so much to tell you guys about this build. Anyway, till the next video, and really appreciate for the help and support. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next.